what's up? So today we are going to be creating this look I have on my eyes today. I thought it would be a really fun idea and hopefully I can get through it to do a new series on my channel where I use every single palette that I own to create a look on my eyes for you guys. I have 95 palettes. I counted them all today. So yeah, be on the lookout for 95 looks. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I can get through it. I feel like this is a really good idea for if you want to get out of your comfort zone. I have so many palettes, you guys, that just sit and sit and sit some more. And I get in a rut of using the same palette or same 3 to 4 palettes every single day. And I kind of want to break that mold. So if you would like to see how I got this look using the Hank and Henry Spring Fling palette, then just stay tuned. Okay, so to start this look off, I'm gonna go in with the shade called Fest Evil, and I'm just going to place this right in here. I'm not taking this all the way back. I am kind of gonna stop it like right in the center of the eye. Now we're going in with Las Palmas, and I am just going to blend that out a little bit. All right, so now I'm taking Senora Mayo and just placing that right up above that shade. And I'm going to really drag this green back a bit. Now I'm gonna go in with this Lips, Eyes, Cheeks mousse. This is in the shade Coralie. And I'm gonna kind of use this as a base and kind of a tool to cut that area at the beginning of my eye. And then we're gonna go in with Popsicle All. What are you doing back there? And I'm just going to place that right on top. Taking the same product, just in a different shade. This shade is called Bambi. I'm gonna use this as a base slash tool to cut the crease with as well. I'm just gonna cut out a shape on my eye here. Then we are taking the shades Birds and Bees and Spring Fling, and I'm just going to put those on top of that pink base. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay. This is the eyeshadow stick, and this is in the shade Chaos. I'm just gonna line my eyes with this. And then we're gonna go back in with those 3 shades that we used in the beginning, and I'm just going to apply those on my lower lash line area. All right, so now I'm going in with the Makeup Institute of Los Angeles's Bright Mare Drip Liners in the shade Obscure as well as Head Trip. And I'm just going to create some funky liner out here on the outside. And then we are going to kind of cut this pink and orange in half right here. I'm also going to go in with Beauty UK's gel liner in the shade... not sure what this is called. I think it's Electric Blue, but I could be wrong. And we are just going to kind of outline that orange as well. So let's get started. I'm also gonna put that neon orange on my lower lashes here. Okay, and so I have this glitter from Star Crushed Minerals called Green Scorpion. I've got a glitter from LA Splash that's orange, and a pink one. I am gonna apply these to my eye, and then we're gonna add some gems. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that orange glitter right there in the inner corner as an inner corner highlight. Then we're gonna take the pink and I'm gonna butt that right up against the green, right here. And then the green glitter, I am now going to add some green gems up here as well and add our lashes, and then we will be done. All right, so I went ahead and added those 3 little green rhinestones right there. Just kind of followed that green line that's going up to my brow. And now we're gonna go in with Trace Chic lashes. This is in the style Storm. And this is the final look, you guys. What do we think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.